Welcome to our exploration of the noble gases, also known as Group 18 elements. These are some of the most fascinating elements in the periodic table because of their unique property. They are extremely unreactive. The name noble comes from their tendency to remain aloof and not interact with other elements, much like nobility that keeps to themselves. There are 6 noble gases found in nature. Starting from the lightest, we have helium with atomic number 2, neon with atomic number 10, argon with atomic number 18, krypton with atomic number 36, xenon with atomic number 54, and finally radon with atomic number 86. Each of these elements shares the same fundamental characteristic that makes them noble: their complete outer electron shells. The secret to understanding noble gases lies in their electron configuration. Noble gases have full outer electron shells, which is the most stable arrangement possible for atoms. Since atoms typically react to achieve a full outer shell, noble gases have already reached this ideal state. They have no need to gain, lose, or share electrons with other atoms, making them chemically inert or unreactive under normal conditions. Let's look at some specific electron configurations. Helium has the simplest configuration, 1s2. Neon has 1s2, 2s2, 2p6. Argon can be written as neon core, 3s2, 3p6. Krypton is argon core, 3d10, 4s2, 4p6. Notice how each configuration ends with a completely filled outermost shell. This complete shell is what gives noble gases their stability and unreactive nature. Noble gases share several important properties. First, they are chemically inert, meaning they rarely form compounds with other elements. Second, they are all colorless gases at room temperature. Third, they have very low boiling points due to weak intermolecular forces between their atoms. And fourth, they exist as monatomic gases, meaning each molecule consists of just a single atom rather than bonding with other atoms to form molecules. Despite being unreactive, noble gases have many practical applications. Helium is famously used in balloons and airships because it's lighter than air and non-flammable. Neon is used in bright advertising signs, creating that distinctive colorful glow. Argon provides an inert atmosphere for welding, preventing unwanted chemical reactions during the process. Xenon has medical applications in imaging and can even be used as an anesthetic. Here are some fascinating facts about noble gases. Argon actually makes up about 1% of Earth's atmosphere, making it surprisingly common. Helium is the second most abundant element in the entire universe, found in vast quantities in stars. However, radon stands out as the dangerous member of the family. It's radioactive and can accumulate in homes, posing a serious health hazard if concentrations become too high. Let's recap what makes noble gases special. They have full outer electron shells, which is the key to their stability. This makes them extremely unreactive elements under normal conditions. Yet despite their chemical inertness, they have found a wide range of practical applications in our daily lives, from party balloons to medical procedures. The noble gases truly are the stable elements of the periodic table, content in their complete electron configurations.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.